Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete an item from Vinted. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete an item from Vinted, you need to simply tap open your Vinted app, and once you have opened it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner, and you can simply scroll down to find the item that you had recently listed. So simply tap on that particular item and then tap on the three dots icon on the top right hand side of the corner. So simply tap on it, and then you can find an option called delete on the bottom of the screen. So simply tap on delete and tap on confirm delete. Now you can see that item has been gone. This is how you can know that your item has been now deleted from Vinted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.